Oh, hey, listen, I wanted to. Hi, Chloe, the Nail Techs Coach, and today we're going to do a recap video on all the ways, let me fix my light, all the ways we can use our airbrush stencils with our pat gels. Um, these are just a few of my pat gels that I have. I got them all. I got my nudes at the bottom, but I use my pat gels with my stencils to create so many designs. So let's run through the different designs that I was able to create with the pat gels with the stencils. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below. I'm going to tag the supplies that I used and even the full original video. So this is a recap video today. I appreciate you guys joining me and let's get into it. Okay, so I love using my pat gels to make stickers and using that with a stamping plate. It makes drawing detailed designs very easy, especially if you don't have that artistic ability. The next one is going to be using your pat gels with your stencils to do a double moon look. If you're a little OCD like me, you like to have things perfect. So this kind of keeps those lines sharp and crisp. And if you have shaky hands, makes it easy for you. And I listen, stamping, we bringing this up again because you just don't get no better than stamping with pat gels. And some of them you can chrome over. So which one are you going to try? Let me know below.